Hey, this is a recorded session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, about 2 hours, and to help you to jump directly to the part that interests you, I put timestamp in the description just down below. If you want to know exactly what I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fbucheros. But for now, let's watch this session. Bonjour! Hi, welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, a Microsoft Cloud Advocate, and today it's Friday, so it means it's fun time. So, usually I stream on Azure stuff, the Microsoft Cloud, cloud, that's kind of the theme here. But today, just having fun, I'm relearning kind of JavaScript, and we're building a chatbot, a Twitch chatbot, keeping high score for the game. So if you want to play, you can try, do exclamation point drop, and you will be parachuted into the screen, try to land on the target, and we have a bot that keeps tracks of the score. So today the plan is to improve that bot. I want a few little things I want to share. I want to make sure that now, because everything is in GitHub now, so I was having issues earlier, so that's the second tentative of streaming today. So I'm loading my stuff all around, try to recap super fast. I want to share things, and apparently I'm bad at talking and reading at the same time. So the chatbot is, hey! Subscribe! Wow, thank you, my Mr. Iros. This is really appreciated. Really, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hopefully it translates correctly in English and doesn't sound awkward. Big thanks. One day, also, I will have enough, so I could have more emotes, because now I have, you know what? I'm so happy about it. Let me just find it first. I need to share you something, because now the chatbot has a face. Oui, a face. I'm very happy about that. Okay, so let's go half and half. Boom. That's our chatbot. Now we just need a name. So status, cumulus. I think it's too easy, but that's our chatbot, so exclamation point. So now it will be showing up in the screen, helping. We'll be able to make a few expressions with it, so I think it will be pretty cool. So thanks to, I need to find his name again, because that guy art is just awesome. Let me find his name again. Where is it? It's Toon something. Oh, where is he? Where? Come on. Alex. Fragburn. Why can I not see his name? Oh, so sad. Okay, I really need to find his name now. Let me start this. Loading Discord. I told you, just reboot. So everything need to be started again. Funkatoons. That's his name. Funkatoons. Funkatoons. Come on, I wanna copy paste your name. that's the name of the guy. Let's Google it quickly. See, he's doing a bunch of stuff. So that's the guy. Let's put his Twitter. Voila! He's really awesome, really nice. I love it. So he did this chatbot, and we'll be using it. So we need also to put that image in the GitHub repo, and yeah, it will be super cool. Can make a bunch of expression and everything. So I think it would be nice. So if you like the art, give him a thumbs up, something like that. Go see him, and it's awesome. So the plan of today, so we need, once the image will be uploaded, we need to change this background. This background is like, we need to change it. We need to change it. We need to use this guy. So it will be fun. I'm still so pissed that I missed the raid. I think it was the first time he was raiding me. And French. We could have chat in French. Though, not really, because this is an English stream. One question, Mr. Myros, and I don't know if some other rejoin, or if it's just you and I right now, but I have a standing desk. And my camera is on a pole, and it's a regular standing desk. In fact, it's the IKEA one. Really like it, but I think because I'm tall, I'm 6 foot. So with the pole and everything, do you feel the camera? I'm exaggerating, but let me know if the camera is shaking too much. Did you notice that? Is it annoying? Is it bad? Because I was looking for another standing desk and maybe changing that one, but a 4-leg standing desk it's not cheap. But at the same time, I do a lot of streaming and videos and things, so if it's not giving you the sickness because I'm just in the corner, but if you notice it, no, it's good. You didn't see any shaking? Okay, that's cool. Well, thanks, because you just gave me back $2,000. I should do giveaways then, because I see the camera shaking a lot. Okay. Not shaking, but always and in my screen also and everything. Okay, well, good to know. Well, keep an eye and be very I'm asking you, so if during the stream you notice that, just hey, you know what? Yes, I noticed. I won't be mad. It's just I'm asking you to give me a thumbs, some feedback here. So right now you didn't, but I'm not coding a lot, so I'm not banging on my table. So right now I am shaking this is the shake. So yeah. Okay. So the plan of today is I want to continue keeping. Okay, so one thing, I used the chatbot on Wednesday stream, and it's keeping the lowest score instead of the highest score. So we need to fix that, and also it just show super tiny little Schwinky in the top corner, so we need to refresh that also. So we need to fix that, make it bigger. Keep the high score, and I want to give you a way also to display the stats. So there's a command that we plan to use here, and it's stats. And stats, so the bot could, okay, though, that's okay. Oh, okay. So the bot store a number of time each player has blah blah blah. Yeah, okay, so I want to start also implementing stats. Right now it will be just your I score maybe, but later on, like the thing, maybe it's small, right? Can I make it bigger? I thought I could zoom that thing. Or was it here? Okay. But this one I can't. Oh yeah, it's bigger now, right? So let's go full moon, full screen. So yeah, so let's fix first. Let's fix the high score. So that's the plan. Fixing the high score. That's our priority. Is that Trello? No, it's not Trello. So you're new to the chat. You're new to the stream. Welcome aboard. Oh, I know. Morodev. R Morodev. So this is a GitKraken boards. I love that because it's sync to GitHub. So if you go on GitHub, I have all the issue and everything here, but in GitKraken, and it's public. So if I go, for example, I have bunch of boards, but this one is pretty empty. But if I go, for example, the URL shortener, this is available here, but it's also public. So there's a URL here. That's fine. That's perfect. I'm a big fan, and stay tuned because you never know. I'll do some giveaway sometime. So yeah, so see. That's the board. You can participate. Right now I just share it as a read only, but I'm planning maybe to have a more active board where like some people who collaborate to the GitHub project could have access and change card, because here you could just like Trello, change things. Just really cool. Also it's free. Also you have the Git UI just like that, and to do branching or merge you could just just drag and drop like that. Super convenient. You have the diff, you have everything, and you also have timelines that I don't use a lot these days. Where are my timelines? So I have timelines. Let's put some timelines here so you could see the timelines like that, and you could play them if you want. So that's cool. You could have a bunch of projects like that. And if you're interested, you could go and do cloud5minutes.ca/GitKraken. That's my referral. So you can use that, download it. It's free if you're using open source. There, if you're a student, there's really low price, budget friendly pro version if you want available. And for me, it's just showing them that I'm a GitKraken ambassador. I love so much their project. I was doing video on that. I'm using it all the time. So they say, hey, Frank, do you want to be an ambassador? I say, yeah. So now I can use their product and I can give away t-shirt and sticker and stuff like that. And usually when I do conferences, I was always full of stickers and t-shirts. Now I do less conferences, so I need to find a way to give away all those things. And every once in a while, what they do GitKraken with the referral, so every time you use my referral links, they will put your name in a giveaway basket, and they do, what's the word again? Shuffle, whatever. They do giveaway. So I think these days they are giving away Amazon gift cards, $100 or something like that. So pretty cool. And if you go pro version, and you started with my then I receive points, and with the points I can buy swag, and with the swag I just give it back. So you're just encouraging, you're just helping the stream. So feel free to give it a try, and yeah, and feel free if you have any questions. I will be super happy to help you. I really enjoy that tool. I'm not paid by them. Every time I pay my subscription, they say, no, it's free. It's okay, again. Give me another one and I will give it away. So yeah, just like I like the tool. Okay, Shirley Drop. Hello, Shirley Drop. How are you? Did you do a command so all your bots are little bastard? Oh man. I called you little bastard. It's more friendly, right? Hopefully I did not obfuscate you. I was doing it as on a friendly way. Like in French it will just be something like, you know, my little genius kind of thing, or okay. For a second you got me worried. I love it. Just like boom. That's cool. Okay, so before one of the Shirley Dev bot land, and I think it will be happen very soon. I didn't see, like, do you see that? Shirley Dev, you use your bot to land perfectly. That's cheating. 98. This is cool. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. The music is not reflecting my my energy today. The music is too smooth. I need something more energetic. Okay. Yeah, let's fix that though. But test score high, check for a high score. Okay. So I don't understand. It looks like it's keeping the high score. No problem. So I find the current score. So when you land, it's the score. And then I find the user position, and if I like it's greater than if the current score is greater than the high score, right? That's the condition. Yeah. So the new high score is this. And I replace that. And I score party is just, you know, so why it's not working? Okay. Okay. Before I forgot. We need to add the media. I need my my bot here. the image, this thing, I want it there. Boom. This image is really cool. And now open in file and really okay. Let's stop it, and I will play that. Here, boom, bim bada boom, multipass. Okay. So, one thing, so I could call the function, right? So when you come in, clean was type in the chat. What? Interesting. There's something here that I unchecked. Like that's wrong. It's in the command. Yeah, that's, I don't want that. And here, when log, yeah, okay. Okay, whoops. There you are. Okay, so now I need to call I could just, you know, do this. And now if I do 25, can I collapse that section? There it is. Okay. So phone in position, user position 0, I score 25. So now if I type scores, but now if I do this and I say, for example, 20, Okay, but why? I'm not crazy, right, Shridev? You were there Wednesday, and it was just getting lower and lower. No, that's the, oh, is it? No, I don't think I think it was the highest. So in the I-score party, yeah, in the I-score party, I do this, and I show the cloud. Oh yeah, the same thing now. If I do this and I put 24, you just beat your I-score. But we don't see the cloud. Hello, be evil but. This is strange. This is strange. Okay, let's put more logs and we'll figure it out, right? Let's close this window because every time it's confusing me. Okay. So so where is it? Search by user, update, test, cloud. Yeah, see, like cloud didn't work. Score. Okay, check for I-score, blah blah blah. New I-score. So is it because I cannot call, maybe the way I call the function is not good? Hey, Funkatoons! Well, Funkatoons, I already shared your Twitter, so I did it right. Because I was very happy about the new icon, the new things. Whoops, not that one. That one. So yeah, super happy. So you know, Funkatoon is the author, is the artist of this magnificent image. So if you like it, thumbs up. Go see him on Twitter. Yeah, okay, so now, so we keep the I-score. Is it here? Is it not how you do it? Like that's an assignation, right? And why here when it's like, when you beat your score, should I do something like yeah. Do I need to do something like call or something like that? Should just do that. Oh yeah, it's true, you're moving, so good luck with your move, Funkatoons. Okay, so let's try again. So, if I do shuridev len, so that's your first. So now if I do this and you beat your score, whoops, let's put 25. Okay, now it's working. Though I don't see the message in the ChatBot. That's interesting. Oh yeah, but I think I didn't do anything yet. I just test. Test is just to put it here. Okay, and now if I do, again, let's say 26. Okay, and now if I do 4, shuridev just beat his high score. There's something wrong here. Okay. So let's do something like Right, so now at least we'll have like, this is the high score. And let's do a new comment. Let's do a new comment. If, and you can do it is stats. Someone is having fun. That's cool. Just realized, how do I type anything in the chat? I just realized I don't know. Not in this window. So I want this window in the corner here. But how can I reply? Oh, say. Cool. So we need to get the info for the user. So that should be easy. That should be just what is it again? Search by user. No, it's let user puz this, and then we pass user, right? And now we just will build a message. So let the message being and it will be this funky character. I think it's automatic. But if I want to be alone, I just do it after. And since Shirley Dev, you cannot drop once more than one, kind of trick you. Hey, Copper Birdie, how are you? Oh, an island? Okay, so yeah, so now we have stats that should be implemented. All right, what's happening? Thank you for the following. It's, wow, how do I pronounce that? Tizai. Welcome to the stream. And we have here drop. I like that you can't. Oops. It is ye. It is ye. Welcome. Welcome. At least you're not another Shirley Dev bot. Like it's E. I. Is it E? I'm French, so sometime I think that's he, right? Y-E, it's E. We. I. So it is I. I'm totally fine with that, Dev. I will let you know if I'm annoyed by your bot, but right now I'm still building mine, so I really don't mind having fun with it. There's no problem. Okay, so there is this. I would like to have maybe a trace. So stats was typed in the chat. So cool. So if I do stats, oh yeah, I didn't refresh. Whoops. I'm French. No, I'm not. But like I'm a French Canadian, so I speak French. I'm a Québécois. Cannot find a proper. Oh yeah, so I need to have a. Okay. So yeah. Oh, you beat your high score. Hello. And I need to have that also to like just show up for 5 seconds or something, and then. And we need to change it for the new bot also. But though it's not animated. Okay, well, I was about to say, yeah, okay, so if what is it again? I check if it's higher or greater than 0. Yeah, because if I don't find it, I return 0. It's true. So this and else. I think we should, if nothing, well, I should have like also a message. Oh, you know what? So we'll put the say outside like that. If I do that, message is just declare here, right? Whoops. That's kind of a little bit more efficient, isn't it? Yeah, I did some kayak. Let me... So I had fun doing some kayak. Copper Birdie. When is the UK? I'm assuming you have some kind of UK day. When is it? For US, for example, it's coming, right? It's tomorrow. It was so hot. It was 30 degrees Celsius, no wind. I was just cooking on the water. Nice. Okay, so now if I do stats, error, not connected to the server. What? I will need that. That's what he was talking about. I saw his tweet earlier today, and he did a thing for that. I think it's Config Twitch or something like that. Oh, I forgot the name of the repository. Config Twitch. Oh yeah, well, for me also, I have like the Canada Day is the full country, and then I have a special day that was last week on the 24th. That's the Saint Jean Baptiste. So that's for us. It's the for the province, and usually in Quebec, that day is overruled Canada. Like Quebecois are really strong in their stories usually. But I'm used to work a lot in English, so it's more Canadian. So yeah, so I need to do this. I will need to do this. So what I can do is instead, it is really small though, right? The overlay. Whoops. Oops. That's not what I wanted. On just this thing. I will lock everything else. Header, come on.
All right.
Alright, what just happened? Thank you for the following, La Criminal. Thank you. And I don't know why my thing is not working. Oh my god, I just want to look. Look like I cannot lock them. Can I hide them? No, either. Why? Why? What is happening? Come on. Did I open some? Okay, now it's working. Okay, so now everything is locked. Can I lock this? Why that? I don't know why. Okay, so this, let's put it here. So apparently I will need to fix that. Let's display it in the screen for now. So let's create another zone for that. FB trace. Where is it? We'll do this. We'll set it as the message. One thing though, how can I say like for a is it wait in JavaScript? How do you say wait? Wait. Set timeout. Something like that. So let's wait, let's say 5 seconds, and then we'll do a clean. So now if we refresh, and now let's do stats. Fujifilm, sorry, no stat yet. Isn't it beautiful? So I could do Fujifilm. So I have a new UI score. And now if I do 29, -1. What? User position -1. New incoming. Found position 0. I score 59. No new I score. Position -1. What? What? Oh, did I put a var somewhere? It's a really bad habit. Yeah. So let's, you know what, that could be the problem. So I'll do a let here. Have any other var? Yeah, another one here. Let. That could be the reason where it was all effed up. But why I was saying all the time, so search for user. Let's change this. Right, so we have that, and now oh, I'm sorry, I'm not good at looking at the chat today, right? I'm sorry. Did I miss anything? F Joes, London, Freda. So usually usually I stream about cloud technology, so a lot of Microsoft Cloud, Azure. I'm a .NET developer. So usually that's what I do. I do a bunch of stuff. Right now we're working on a URL shortener tool that is super budget friendly, that is deployable with one click from GitHub. And we're working on a new UI that will be on client side in C#, very secure, and still very budget friendly. So that's cool. So now let's do this. And now everybody, let's if I do this and I do that, doesn't look like it's working, right? Yeah. Why I don't see it in the okay.
Listen!
Hey, what? What did I miss? What? You say sound nice. Just trying the sound? Oh yeah, that's one thing also. I want to play sound from that, but I'm pretty sure we'll need... Though I could play the sound here, right? I need to... Okay, so this... So now if we do score... It doesn't show anything. Is it showing anything? It's not showing anything. Oh yeah. Why it's so tiny? Oh, because I put it in the FB trace? No, on the last chat message. Oh, because it's a table? No problem. That it's there to play, so have fun with it. It's to grab my attention when I'm too focused. Yeah, so we definitely need to have some a little bit style here. Font size maybe. Let's put the font size large. Still tiny, right? And I need to find a way what should I do? that's not what I want. Yep. If I do that, and there's a lot of you, then I won't be able to see everything, right? Can I do refresh from here? Let's refresh. It's not too bad. Interesting. User not found. Creating new stats. Stats was create. Stat be. No, I don't see you. That's interesting. So sometime. Now if I do background color and I say white smoke, and then if I refresh that thing, so save, refresh, so any message should be there for a little while and then just vanish, right? So now I could do, if I do 36, so now he found me. So if I do 36, no new I score, try again, okay? If I do 96, now I have this, and clean will remove everything. That's cool. And now if I do stats, no stat yet, but I have stats. So there's something I did wrong. In cloud I did it, so landed blah blah blah. Okay, so now now I have an output saying something. Okay, so let's do that. Let's refresh. So now let's do this message. Okay, so it creates some stats for me. Now if I do 36, no stats, but he found me, user found. I should say the name of the person, but whatever. And now if I do stats, I think it's just, sorry, no stats. So stat was typed in chat, and there's nothing happened. That's strange. Let's go and search user. Where is it? Yeah, found position. Oh, is it because the I changed that now and it's not finding it again? Is it the problem? So I just need no specification. Hey, Code with Sean, how are you? Hey, talk to me, Gooseman. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. I'm learning JavaScript thanks to your blog posts and and Confi and Instafluff. So now let's try to do this. So F Jaros landed. So it found me. So now it should have created user not found. Okay. And now if I do this, found position 0, user at 0, previous size score. That's cool. New eyes, no new eye score makes sense. And now if I do stats, sorry, no stat yet. Stat was type. User pause -1. I don't understand. Sure, Dev saying, took my first foray writing ChatBot, I'm stressed. Exactly. No, that's sad. Stats drop, sure, Dev, noise. We need Yeah, I could do that, right? I got a ton of spam bot, Copper Birdie.
Hey, listen.
Yeah, well, if you're playing the drop game, that's fine, because I'm building something to manage it, so that will be fine. Talk to me, Gooseman. So I reached out to you about you know, how to make it, and the reason why I was asking is, see those clouds on the top? I would like to have it in my screen, so like it's between me and the code I'm looking at, not just in your screen. That's why I was asking for your Goose stuff, because I would like to have the chat to be able to, let's say, spend point or whatever you're running commands and add more clouds, kind of, you know, just like your Goose is doing, annoying you, kind of trolling you just for fun. That's why I was asking like if you did it and how you did it. But I think I will need to do some kind of Electron app and run it on top of my stuff, I think. Is it what I understood from the thing you shared to me? Because the Goose running everywhere, that's not done by you, right? I understood that part correctly? Yeah. But that's not, yeah, so also part of the thing is, and like the chat will be able to say, oh, like Superman, and maybe just instead of dropping, they will be raising and flying around for 5 seconds or something like that. Well, having fun. But yeah, the cloud, I would like to have them like in my face, not in the streamed screen, but in my screen. But that's not for today. Okay. Okay, so here I need, so now I need to understand why it's not working. Because maybe it's the way I declare my function. Like stat4. Did I do a typo or something? No. Stat4. Like, oh no, I saw that, right? Why it's not working? Okay, cool. That's what I thought. I'm definitely not there yet. I've been JavaScripting for 2 weeks, so far away from that. Okay, let's do some. I need my stuff so I could run the stat command. So if I do this, new incoming, searching for F Bucheros, that's cool, not found, excellent, excellent. So now if I do that and I say, let's say 36, so a lower score for me, So now it says, okay, searching for fbutcheros, found in position 0. Previous I score 36, no I score. Makes sense. Now if I do 96, I should have this. What? Fbutcheros, I score 96. Just beat his I score. Okay, that's cool. So now if I do stats, let's do a clear console. Now if I do stats, why it doesn't find me? That I don't understand. I was there. Looking for fbutcheros. Searching for fbutcheros. And then yeah, now you can bounce on that game. So now I'm confused now because it was finding me previously and now it just don't find me anymore. So why? What I'm doing wrong? I'm passing the user here, right? So if we go here, search by user, saving the user. And when I check for the I score, where is it? Here. Check for I score. It's the same thing. So why here it's working and down there it's not? I don't understand. What if I do scores? See, I'm there. I exist. It's a very...
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey! Chantil cake. Hopefully that thing disappears soon. It should disappear. Why it's not disappearing? It was very ugly also, right? So I could change that now to, I think 50 pics will be better, and let's put some black. What's the time?
Bonjour. Hi.
Hello! You like the sound effect? Use light team? Okay. Okay, damn. Ugh. Thank you so much. No kidding. No kidding. Everybody's complaining. I have it in my face. Okay, I really don't understand why. Much clearer. Indeed. Okay, so I think I will create in search. We'll do a thing. Ah, I think I know where it was not finding me. I think I know. That was my mistake. Because I think I typed my name with lower FB. Yes, I did. That's why. It was my mistakes. My mistake. See, if I put FB like it's supposed to be. Did I refresh that? Refresh. So, not found. So now I do, let's say 26, so lower. So now searching for arrows, looking at the arrows, I'm alone in the thing. So position 0, that's cool. And now if I do, let's say 96, because you know, now I have the cloud showing up for 5 seconds. And UI score, blah blah blah, that's cool. And now I could do stats. There it is. Whew. So that was me. Okay, so now let's do this and refresh so you could have all the new feature available. So now it's up for you too. Yay! So now if I do scores, it's only me here, there's nothing over there. If I do stats, I should see a message. Say, Bonjour, sorry, no stat yet. Excellent. Cool. Making progress. Eventually we'll get there. Okay. Cool. So now you can try your stats if you want. And if I do score now. Whoops. Haha, we all did it at the same time. No, only me can do the scores. Cool. So we have the scores. Stats. So right now the problem with stats is that like if multiple people are typing it, why it's not disappearing? It should be cleaning. Can always do a clean. Manual, right? Boom. Okay. That's it. Back to darker theme. I usually have a timer, but I'm sure I did at least 5 minutes. Okay. I think the score doesn't stay forever. Woo! Okay, so I think we're ready to put some doc and push on GitHub, right? I think we have a little bit of that. So we should have we should be able to have an image. Can I do this? Nope. SRC? Whoops, I didn't put it. I want it there. Oh, and I did keep my screenshot. Okay, cool. How did I play the, I used the this set timeout. Now every chat message is just like where is it? I preview. There it is. I think the clean is what reset, so you can drop again. Oh no, okay, so the drop is the game. So I didn't develop the game. The game was done by InstaFluff. And every 60-second or 90-second, the game resets. So when the target over there disappear, then you could drop again. Comfy. Well, like, it's super easy when you like. For me, I'm just Mr. Smoofy. Oh, like Mr. Smoofy. So yeah, so I'm a .NET developer. I know nothing about JavaScript. It's not true. I knew JavaScript, but I didn't code with JavaScript in the past 15 or 20 years. So I'm kind of relearning it. So yeah. And config.js is just like you do in 3 kind of line of command. Just have it. It's very cool. And Talk to Me Ghostman also has a nice blog post. Do you have it close by, Talk to Me Ghostman? He did a nice blog post about that. So shout out to Talk to Me Ghostman also. Alive coders, just like me. and his stream are awesome. Like, he's the master of all the him and InstaFluff. They're just crazy with all the stuff they do with their chat. Like, I'm just starting. I've been procrastinating for too long. I was about to say something and I forgot. Yeah, and also I want to register, so I will be able, the bot will be able to reply in the chat. So like right now I'm displaying there because I need to authenticate it. But earlier today I saw that InstaFluff shared, I think it's a Confi, where is it again? The Confi Twitch thing. And with that I will be able to get a key. So I will use that, and then my bot will be able to chat with you in the chat. So instead of answering, like displaying, it will be able to display in the chat. So if you reply in the chat, then I will be able to copy paste and put that in the notes. But you know, both will be cool. So if I say like at the end, it could put everything. Oh, thank you to me. Thanks. Thanks. Talk to like when you say thanks and talk to me at the same time, it's thanks to me. So talk to me, Gooseman. This is the link he just shared is a super interesting. Oh, let me show it. I'll click on it. Super interesting. So it's very easy to use, very simple step, and it's using Confi.js to create a chatbot if you want. The beginning is using Node. For me, at least right now, I'm not using it. I'm pure just static website, just because I wanted to drop that in the Azure Blob Storage, and until I create a static website, I won't be able to put and I'm not even sure. Do you know, like, did you try it? Talk to me, Gooseman. Can you do I think you can't. You cannot, right? Run a static website inside a blob storage using Node. Is it possible? What? The shout out URL to talk to me, Gooseman, doesn't work? Oh, because of the... Oh, I need to fix that. So just remove the... I need to fix that. Should be this. Yes. I need to fix that.
Very far.
If my shoutout doesn't work, this is sad. Confi.js is just a wrap of this thing. What? Anyway. Okay. Before we push though, yeah, whatever. Okay, let's finish this. So, commands. So Azure does make it really simple to deploy a Node server from VS Code once you get that point. Yeah, but that will be deploying an app service, right? I don't want an app service. Though, like, I could. but I would like to have this, like I would like to have it in blob storage, I think. So I think that's why I cannot have a server. Or if I have a server, I will need to stop it and start it maybe. At the moment, anyone's type surely drop my butt. I've been trying to decide what I want to use for my butt right now. It's just a C# console app. Use Blazor. Yeah. So Charlie drop, is it what you said? Well, or maybe I should do a table instead. No. So how does it feel to drop that many? See, it didn't work this time. Okay, so score, it's just for the broadcaster, right? Let's see some scores. That's nice. I forgot what was the command. It was up or lift? I think it was lift. Yeah, surely Dev is kind of a machine. Why the score doesn't hide though? But at the same time, it's fine. Oops. Clean. Cool. So now this is all there. I should clean a little bit. Remove a little bit of the verbose stuff, right? Or maybe not. We'll keep it that way for now. Oh, Code Phobia is raiding with a party of 6. Welcome, Code Phobia, and the Code Phobia. Welcome with all your viewers. Welcome to the chat. We're relearning JavaScript in the modern term. Modern times. I've been not coding in JavaScript for forever. And like a real forever. Meaning like 15, 20 years. So yeah, and we build a chatbot. So now we have that game from InstaFluff where people, by typing !drop, they could play the game. And now when you land, I keep your highest score in stats. You could show your stats by saying !stats. So if someone want to try it, and I can show all the highest score with a command just for me. And we have a lot of bot here running from Shirley Dev to kind of help me stress testing the game. So Freda is the cat of Shirley Dev, and she really like playing the parachute game. And I'm about to push everything in GitHub. Right now we are in VNext, but I think we're ready to put that I think we're ready. It's working. Push. Cool. So now let's do a PR. Boom. Cool. Let's go with that on GitHub. Of course, I want to merge because, you know, yay. So now if I go here, that's so cool. It's a little bit big. Tiny little bit big, but it's nice. I should, yeah. So let's just see. Oh, I didn't play sound. I need to learn how to play sound. So much stuff to do. Oh, we need to change the board. We need to change the background. That's what we do. Let's do that. So here, background. We need to change the background. That's a top priority. We need to use this Yes. Back here. Remove the background. I want... Oh, no, I need to go... It's true. I need to go here. I need to go there. And I think it's this link I want. Copy link address. Yes, it's like I said, it's a little bit big, but we'll get there. So keep iScore. So for each stream episode, the bot should record each player highest score. Yep. That's done, right? Agreed? It's not easy to... we should make it so it display in the chat, so I could easily copy paste it in the stream notes, but at least, you know, if I can display it. Oh, no stat yet. That's cool. See, it's working. Did you land, Mr. Spoofy? You need to land. So did you land? Mr. Perfy land. So oh, it didn't find you? Oh, did I? Oh, no, look, it should keep you, except if I refresh it, or maybe. Do it again? No, like... Strange. Okay, let's refresh. No, I didn't change the branch. I'm still in VNex. And alone, by himself, no bot. Okay, so let's do this. So now this is done. I think this one is done now. It was in VNex, now it's done. Stats is also done. Oh, are you talking about the board? Or the ChatBot, like on the top? That thing, yeah, it's cool, right? It's a GitKraken. If you're interested, you can use my referral. So it's cloud5minute.ca/GitKraken. It's free. What it does when you use my my referral to download the tool, it put your names in a raffle that GitKraken does these days. I think they give away every 2 months, 3 months, some Amazon gift cards. So if you're interested, use it. No obligation. So that's cool. So we should add... one more. So one thing I want to do is I would like to have the scores command. Let's ChatBot need to chat. Congrats! Sure. Code with Sean, you finally landed. Excellent. Try stat code with Sean. Oh, is it stats? I think it's plural. Sorry, that's my my good English. Yeah, it's plural because right now you only have the I score, but eventually, well, no score yet. So I do something wrong. What? Oh, I hit an error here. The property slice for undefined. Interesting. 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 So let's clean this and let's do it again. So no. What? Could you do stat again? Code with Sean? Searching for this and interesting. So sometimes it's lowercase, sometimes it's uppercase. So it was not only me. Yeah, interesting. So that's the problem, right? When I search with the name, but why the name is saved in lower score? In a lowercase. So if you have capitalization in your name, it won't work. But I never specify to put lowercase, right? Did I? No. Oh, we have a bug. We have a bug. And I need to wrap up, so let's put some label here. So that will be feature requests, and we have a bug. So and I'm starving again. Bug. So I need to fix that, and I really need to fix that. Which app? The GitKraken? No. GitKraken is a full system. It's a UI, like it's 3 tools. So you have, right now you got Git UI. So this is just a UI on top of Git. So I like it because it's really convenient when you do pull requests and things like that. You just drag and drop and things like that. You have the boards that I love, that I use, and it's sync with GitHub if you want. There's a timeline also that I use just a little bit. It's funny to see the time in the project and things like that, so you could see where you have stressful. So I could show the timelines. If you have many projects, you could have I was working earlier, whatever, you have the timelines as it show here. Okay, there it is. Boom, boom. Come on, show my timeline. So you could have a timeline just like that. So it's really nice. But this is not me. I don't work for GitKraken. I just love a lot their product. So I'm a GitKraken ambassador, and usually have a bunch of t-shirts and stickers. Like I still have a bunch of t-shirts and stickers, and when I do events, you could just come see me and I will give you back stickers and stuff like that. But right now, since I'm not traveling, I need to find a way. So yeah, I need to find a way. I'll probably do some giveaway soon for that. But the chatbot, yes, that's for me. That's this page. It's a one-page thing. The thing I'm working on also is this, the URL shortener. I'm missing from some new following, so thank you for the following, VingHR23, and thank you for the following, Viniculus Farias Dev. So that's also a project I'm working on, and I have the Tiny Blazor URL. That's to have your own custom URL shortener, super budget friendly. Right now, it's half budget friendly because the web app that you need is a little bit expensive. but we're working on a solution. It will be super secure. We fixed that on Wednesday, but on not in the main project, because I kind of removed everything, just start a very project just to work that specific feature alone without any context. So now it works. So I will bring next week, I will bring the login, the security, and the main one. So Tiny Blazor URL should be live soon, and we'll be able to use it with this bad boy, and it will be pretty cool. So yeah, this, I have a few video that was done also. I did the Azure Friday with Scott Enseman, where he asked me to present the tool. It's a nice way to learn Azure and have some fun. Yeah, so now what I need to do is to find someone to raid. Any suggestion in the chat? Who should we raid? Who's streaming? Did the music stop?
This unit lets you easily regulate the temperature.
I know who will be raiding. I know. Let's go see Lila. That would be fun. Where is it? Stream manager. Where is it? Come on. Stay with me. Raid. I want to go see Lila. That would be cool. I never raid her. So stay with me. Send her some love. Say that we work on the chatbot. And yeah, it will be fun. And with that, I will say see you next week for more C# stuff and JavaScript stuff. And have a good weekend. Bye bye. Au revoir.